Hey guys, so I am just kind of like checking in with you guys about this hair that I had ordered from Allove Hair. I think that's how you say it. I'll put the name on the screen for you guys. But as you know from that unboxing video that I felt like the hair was way too thin, and I said that I would just go buy some bundles and add it to the hair. So this is what I'm doing. As I'm going through this wig, as you can see, this is the first track at the bottom. It is so thin, you guys. Literally, you can see it is so thin. And you know what? The bundle that I actually bought from the hair store looks like this. 20 inches. If you put this at the bottom, look how long this is. I don't even think that this hair on this wig is 20 inches. Because there's no way. If you look, this is at the bottom now, okay? Look how long it is compared to the actual wig. Crazy. Like, I'm trying so hard, but like, this is not it. Like, no. No, I can't with this. I'm gonna finesse it. I'm gonna add this. I have two bundles of 20. I'm gonna add this to the hair. To the wig, of course, it's gonna make it a lot thicker and a lot longer, clearly. And, you know, we're just gonna have to make it do what it do. I am going to bleach the knots. This is not going to be like a whole video of how I do everything step by step. I'm just going to come in every clips every now and then and just talk to you guys and let you guys know what I'm doing. Let you know the progress. But right now it's not starting out good at all. Like, at all. Alright guys, so I apologize. I did not show you guys prior to me dip dyeing the hair after I had washed out the bleach from bleaching the knots. But I have a pot of water, hot water, and I use this semi-permanent jet black to water color the hair. You can kind of see how some of the knots did not bleach. But yeah, so I'm happy with the progress so far. I'm just going to keep dipping it and leaving it in the water. Okay? Alright guys, so this is actually a few weeks later from the earlier clips. I have already sewn in the hair, the extra bundles, and I've actually worn this wig for like a week and a half, almost 2 weeks, and now it needs to be washed. So I just figured that I would just show you guys how I kind of like take care of my wigs, how I wash them, clean up the excess glue off the lace, and basically just kind of like how I prep my wigs for the next install. Okay, so yeah, here we go. So basically what you want to do, you just want to make sure that your wig is detangled. Okay, and just start at the bottom. And I didn't get that much shedding with the hair, if you can kind of see that. Alright, so whenever you're washing your hair, I really don't get too into semantics when it comes to shampoo and conditioner. I'm just going to be using the Suave Sea Mineral Infusion Volume and Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner. This set right here. I'm also going to be adding the Suave Sleek Anti-Frizz cream, Smooth and Shine cream, and this argan oil, oil. And I'm also going to be adding the L'Oreal Sleeked heat spray. Okay, I like to wash my hair kind of like in warm to hot water, and then of course I will condition it in cold water. So the same thing I do with my natural hair. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with about a good amount of the Sleek It, about that much. You guys can see that much. I'm gonna brush that through. So I'm going to show you guys how I remove the glue off of the lace. So I do it two ways. So I just washed and conditioned the hair. So when it's like this, I like to just get a towel just like this and I just rub it off. And as you can see, it just comes straight off. Just like that. When you wash the hair, you condition it and you put conditioner on top of the glue. It literally rubs right off. Just like that. Okay? So normally I like to do it this way just because it's super easy. Another way, of course, you could do the same thing but just put alcohol on your rag. And you just want to saturate the lace and the glue with the alcohol. And then it'll come off that way too. And you want to try to make sure that you fold the hair under the lace just so you don't get the glue on top of your hair. Alright guys, so I am done blow drying the hair, and this is what the hair is giving. It is so soft, so smooth. It is so thick. Like, I don't know if you guys can really see, if you can tell how thick it is now that I've added the extra bundles. You know, like, it's giving what it's supposed to be giving. This is giving a 20-inch wig, okay? And most of the bundles honestly are, of course, at the bottom, you know, to give it length. And kind of like up here at the top, I, you know, added some tracks up at the top, of course, but not too many, because I didn't want it to be too bulky up here at the top, and I didn't want the wig to be too heavy. But yeah, like, it's giving. This is a thick ponytail. Like, look at this. This is a nice thick ponytail, okay? Like, yes, and look at the ends. The ends are nice and thick. Okay. If you guys can see, this is the end of the wig right here. And you have this much extra length of hair. Like, look, like, you can see. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's really kind of like no comparison. Alright guys, so I'm going to end the video here. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for part 2, where I show you guys how I actually install the wig. Alright, bye guys.